I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the battery's condition and making a safe workspace. Run your OS battery report to get capacity and cycle count, because numbers tell you whether calibration or replacement is needed. Once done, back up files and plug in the charger so testing won't fail from low power. Make sure to visually inspect the pack for swelling or corrosion. If you see those signs, stop and prioritize replacement rather than repair. Now you perform deeper diagnostics and recalibration to restore accurate reporting. First, run one full discharge to near zero, then charge to 100% without interruptions. This helps the controller relearn capacity. At the same time, monitor voltage and cell temps with a hardware tool so you can spot hotspots or failing cells. If the charger's voltage or current is off, swap the adapter before blaming the battery. Finish by choosing repair or replacement based on diagnostics. If you can replace individual cells, match capacity and chemistry exactly. Otherwise, install a full OEM replacement to maintain safety and charging profiles. Once installed, update firmware or BIOS and reset the SMC or EC so the controller recognizes the new pack. If you still see abnormal voltage, rapid discharge, or swelling, test with a second battery or seek professional service. Warranties often cover defective packs, so make sure to check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.